Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. Thrunite Flashlights. This sent me 4 samples. Look at this thing. These things are bulletproof. They're heavy, made out of metal, extremely powerful, rechargeable. This is a lifelong flashlight here. I had them before. I can't wait to test these babies out. From very small to big, depends, but don't let the size fool you. When it gets dark later tonight, I'll show you the differences in them. But these things will just put out a beam of light like no one's business. That one right there. Perfect size, perfect for an RV. See, it's got a little clip on it. Nice. Then this one here for all the hunters and fishermen, mechanics. It's got a headband, goes right around your hat or your head. Extremely powerful light, and it'll last for hours on a charge. These things are powerful and well built. Anyway, Thrunite, they've been a friend of RVerTV. Let's go check out their website real quick. All right, here we go. Thrunite.com. This is their website. They always have specials going. Always check their website. Thrunite.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. Here's another 5% on different products there. Look at this. Amazon, 30% off these 2 lights. They do have lights that mount to gun barrels and stuff. So they got the goodies. These are extremely well built. You know, this is a light that you're going to have for a very, very long time. You can drop them, get them wet. You're not going to hurt these things. But you see all the different kinds. Look at this, Adventures in the Outdoors. They're using that head-mounted one. Here's another one, Black Scout Survival. There's the Outsider. Look at this beam of light, and that is true. At night, you'll see. We'll test them tonight, but you'll see just how powerful these things are. Also, if you get over here, check out their YouTube channel. Look at all the videos. They have good descriptions and videos of each and every light that they put out, how to use them, all kinds of stuff. So be sure to get over here on their YouTube channel, which is right here, and hit that subscribe button. Yay. These make great gifts. Father's Days, birthdays, Christmas, all the different holidays, everything. These are perfect gifts for someone you don't know what to get. Check it out. Also, one more thing. Facebook. Yay. Thrunite's on Facebook. All right. Well, let's do this. When the sun goes down, we'll be out with the lights. We'll check them out tonight. Right, and it's almost dark, getting dusk. At a friend's house here. Let's check these out. Right, one click turns it on. This is at TC20 V2. Double click it. Pow! Look at that. My goodness. It's not even dark yet. This thing will light up the city block. Woof. Oh man. They get a little warm. Look at that in a tree. It's like a spotlight. Cool. Well, let's try another one. Alright, this one's a little smaller. One click, and then you double click. Pow! Look at that boost. My goodness. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. One click. Double. Wow. This is just a little one. You know, the little one has a magnet on the back. You can stick it on metal. Be great for mechanic. And look at that. These things are awesome. Well, too cool for school. These things are rechargeable. Heavy duty. You can drop them. They're waterproof. Look at that brightness. Check them out. Journey continues. Talk soon.